Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the slope short. Harmonic long. Fib dot harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the twos. Fib dot.
Alrighty then, mic check,
on
mic
the
check.
twos.
Hopefully this is coming in. We don't have too much time left in the day here. We'll talk about it at the end, how we are getting caught up here. Let's get right into it. And let's see what's going on. So couldn't get the dang stream to work there.
NASDAQ on the
With
MACD.
this nice little, we've got the blue shift
Fib dot.
inside with the clean
NASDAQ on the
timing.
twos.
We had green dot coming in. I've got the screenshots of this here.
Fib
We're gonna
dot.
show that in a bit.
NASDAQ on the
Let's take a
twos.
play here. All right, let's take this one right here. What is that? Headshot with power dot. Short inside of
Fib dot.
PRZ.
NASDAQ on the wave.
Another cross coming in here. Got a PRZ target down below. I'll put that down here. Then real quick.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the twos.
Oh, shoot. Red dot up here. I'm going to get me right back behind the red dot up top here on the fives. So this is a play with red dot on the fives. Double dot here. Double cross. Should be a short down to this spot right here. Hearing buyers on the tape.
Fib dot.
And
NASDAQ on the
a
twos.
little bit of trouble here. We're breaking this dot on the eights. I got my finger over the close here. Nope, I'm going to close it. I'm hearing buyers. Can't risk it. Trade number 2. Or a small loss or scratch right there. I can always
Fib dot.
re-enter.
NASDAQ on
Ooh,
the twos.
see, green dot. Okay, I'm not playing with that. Got my finger over the sell. If we break that green dot, I'll reinitiate my position short down there to that PRZ cross. A little bit nervous now. We got this PRZ that just showed up above us. Let's see if we get a break of that. If this red
Fib
dot
dot.
holds, this red
NASDAQ
dot holds,
on
then
the
we can
twos.
reinitiate that little punch short here. And let's see how that goes here.
Fib dot.
Little
NASDAQ
bit.
on the fives.
Nervous on that play. We do not, remember, we do not have to get forced
Fib
into
dot.
place here.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the twos.
Oh, we're going double dot. Okay.
Harmonic
let's,
pattern. NASDAQ
shift
on the
that
twos.
position. Let's give it a little shot here. I'll get this right underneath the crosses. Recency is key. Remember those rules. Come on, move it. There we go. Sometimes that happens. Be careful. Grab your tags. That's the, okay. There we go. PRZ target up above. Double green dot. Double crosses. Let's get the double cross, double move. F8. Bam. Measure it, and we're right there. Perfect. Okay.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the twos.
Here. Play with me. Hearing buyers. I hear clicks. MACV is green. We're in the green. We broke that red dot. Come on. Get up there to target 1. Got double cross, double move, plus double dots here. Again, good a shot as any. Trade number 3 here.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on
Green
the
dot,
twos.
headshot, add to position. Push this one out. If we start to hesitate right there, I can always close it. Add to position. This is now a headshot. I'm going to try to maximize it. I hear buyers coming in, adding to position.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the harmonic pattern.
turn- okay.
NASDAQ on the twos.
Yikes. Okay, we break underneath this. I've got to reconsider.
Fib dot. NASDAQ
Oh,
on
double
the
dot,
twos.
add to position. Now we got another dot, add to position. I am at a max 5 contracts here with $2,500 account. Small account challenge. Finger over the close. If we start to break underneath this, again, I will bail right here. My stops, yes, I'm pulling it back here. My hard stops, but I've got my finger over the close. If we break underneath this, always remember, I
Fib
always
dot.
tell you guys,
NASDAQ.
you can always re-enter if you were
Fib
right
dot.
originally.
NASDAQ
Adding to
on the twos.
position, another
Fib-
green dot coming in. Holy shnikes. I'm going to push some runners out. If we go, I'm hearing buyers on the tape. Remember, we're coming into end of day. We are in earnings report season. End of day is always the most active during earnings season. Bingo. We're hitting some targets. We're hitting targets. Let's go. Finger over the close.
Target.
We're inside the red PRZ.
Delta cell building.
I'm hearing buyers. Okay, let's try to hold out the position. Runners on.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
YM is coming right into
Fib dot.
a red
Nasdaq
up top.
on the 2s.
All right, we've got green dot. I'm going to add to position here.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Gotta be careful if this turns into a
Harmonic.
bunny ear. Nope, sellers closing it. Okay, little bunny ear action right there.
Harmonic pattern.
Guys, see
Nasdaq
that?
on the
Here we
2s.
got. Oh man, it's gonna keep going. Oh man, I got shook.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the
Gonna
MACV.
be a bunny ear. Finger over the buy. Trade 3
Fib dot.
under.
Nasdaq
Keeping track of where
on
you
the 2s.
are always. Trade 3. I've got 2 more trades to go. Lots of speed here today. It's great speed. What we get here. Actually, I'm liking YM up top. Let's look at YM here. Let's go screen. What screen? Press 8. You guys got YM there? Yes. Look at this. So we're coming into the 8s up here into a multi PRZ. I want to be holding my finger over the sell, and I am in 1s right now because of, again, we got small account challenge action here. Let's see how we play here. Let's look at, oh man, missed this one. Anybody catch that one? That diamond dot? No, it's a headshot PRZ. Nice up move right there. Easy target 1. MACV is green. If this shifts, see if we get some continuation sell into the end of the day or not on the YM. I'm hearing sellers. Okay, I'm going to tap in short. I don't really have an entry here. I'll put it right back behind this. Let's go, sellers. There we go. Get out here.
Harmonic pattern.
Give me that king
Nasdaq
timing.
on the 2s.
King timing, got plenty of space. 1, 2, 3, probably about 7 bars of space. Excellent. Excellent. Here in sells.
Delta buy building.
Seeing the delta come in.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on
Give
the
me that king
harmonic
timing.
pattern. Nasdaq on the 5s.
Remember, we are going against MACV currently. We are technically green. I'll take some right here. I still left one on. Okay, here we
Fib
go.
dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Here's some more sellers come in. Made it to king timing. It's that vertical right here. For it. Try to hold till we get a green. Let's see what we get here. Coming off. It's beautiful. Sellers, excellent. Add to position here. Drop it. Go, baby.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s. Fib dot. Nasdaq on the
Let's
2s.
go. Let's go. There's my PRZ target.
Fib dot.
Oh,
Nasdaq
blue
on
dot.
the 2s.
Okay, we gotta take some off right
Target.
here. I hear sellers. Gonna try to hold it.
Short.
Hold it.
Look for a short.
Come on, give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Blue dot is holding, and we'll take it right there.
Fib dot.
Didn't get too much.
Nasdaq
Holy
on the 2s.
shnikes. Okay, can we get long here? That's too. I mean,
Harmonic pattern.
I can't remember
Nasdaq
if we
on the
did 2 or
2s.
3. Here. All right.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
All right. What do we got? We're final trade here.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Final trade. What's our time? Got 15 or so minutes. Okay. One trade. Let's make her count. Liking the look of YM here. Shifting red. See if we get that end of the day sell off or not.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the 2s.
All right, I'm gonna give this one a shot here. If we get that continuation off of the cipher, let's go. Give me a break down there. I see a big PRZ target down there. If we get the sell-off coming in here, multi-cipher, I'm a little bit nervous about that one up there, so I can always re-enter if this comes back this spot, but keep my stops tight here. I don't really have
Fib dot.
a great entry
Nasdaq
here.
on the 2s.
Just, oh shoot. Oh shoot, oh shoot.
Harmonic
No.
pattern. Nasdaq on the 2s.
No. Okay, I'm hearing buyers come in. Green dot cancels
Harmonic.
that thought. Fifth trade. Okay, we are 5 trades in. So I am done here at 1260, but I've got a bonus opportunity here. So let's see. We've got time on the clock, so I get a bonus, right?
For a long.
Bonus time. We're well up on the day here. Did pretty good. Really only had kind of a scratch.
dot. Nasdaq
Kind
on
of
the
2
2s.
scratches there. I'm going to count that one as well. Well, yeah.
Har-
Okay, Plover. All right, we'll take this one
Long.
for our
Look
bonus.
for a long.
Get into our Plover.
Target filled.
And that'll be
Delta
it.
Cell Building.
Trade 6 for the bonus. 6 trades a day keeps the doctor away. Where is my cool little audio sound? Oh, I don't have my audio sound thing here. I got to get one of those crazy cool little audio box things. Buttonbase.com. You guys remember that website that we used to use for all of our cool sounds and stuff is now no longer in service, unfortunately.
Harmonic pattern.
Make sure you're following us over
Nasdaq
here on
the
Facebook and,
2s.
of course, Instagram. It's a lot of fun. Here on YouTube and, of course, Discord chat
Harmonic
is our
pattern.
room. If you want to check it
Nasdaq
out, see
on the
what we
2s.
do, how we run our little video game here we call AlgoBox in the markets. If you guys got questions around any of that, let us know. I'm kind of curious how this kind of turns out here on YM. Let's watch this one here real quick. What's our time? So we've got...
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Plenty of time here, technically. We've got Lucky Sevens coming up. So this is that time when I get kind of tempted to go for this. I might be breaking the rules here and allow myself another trade.
Fib dot.
We're in earnings season. Oftentimes
dot.
we'll get some big
Nasdaq
shift. Here
on the
comes
5s.
double king timing. I got my finger over the sell here. Double king.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 5s.
Yikes. Up. Well, here we've got red PRZ zone.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the 2s. Fib dot.
Okay,
dot.
here we go.
Delta self long.
Fib
Whoa,
harmonic
whoa,
short.
whoa! This is
Low
fast.
fourth.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the
Okay,
wave.
so this is the 350 algo kicking in here,
Fib dot.
and
Fib
no, I'm
dot.
hearing buyers.
Nasdaq
Okay,
on
we've
the 2s.
got a red here. I'm going to take a shot here. We've got red dots coming in. We've got there. We've got red dot. We got HMD, multi PRZ. We've got red double dots over here. PRZ back behind us. Just playing what we see. I hear a seller. Oh, yikes. A blue
Harmonic
dot up
pattern.
There. Okay, we
Nasdaq.
know we got the blue dot up top. I'm hearing sells.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Let's go. HMD right there. We have that opportunity. I'm going to push it out. It's coming off the 8s. See if we can get something out of it. Oh, come on. Break that blue dot. Break it. Come on, sellers. I hear you. I smell you.
Short. Look for a short.
Okay, other markets are rolling over.
Harmonic
That's that
pattern.
audio sound
Nasdaq
telling us they're
on the
going
2s.
short.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s. Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s. Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 5s.
For it. Charge. Come on. All right, I'm going to close it. Oh no, not breaking it. I'm hearing the buyer step back up again. I can always re-enter. Over trading now. Technically, we're at trade number 7 in bonus territory here. Again, that's why I'm keeping everything very, very tight. We're not giving back up our gains here. We got that blue dot. I've got to be very, very weary about. Technically, we are still MACV green. If we had shifted red in there, easy breezy potential to go.
Nasdaq
But I'm
on
hearing
the
the
2s.
buyers now step in. That's large timing. Got to be careful. If you're on the wrong side of a large, you can push. I'm hearing buyers. I would need an entry. All that is a blue dot. I need a little bit something more than that. Would have been nice if I had maybe tried for a long here, but you know, woulda, shoulda, couldas. Coming into the end of the day here. Lucky sevens is in effect. Where's the trap? The trap would have been here, so we should be to the long side if we are lucky
Fib
sevens
dot.
to the long.
Nasdaq on the
But it's
2s.
just so hard to take a long here looking at that right here. I got to make sure that that would break first. Well, I'm going to be comfortable getting long here. On king timing, I'm hearing buyers.
Fib dot.
Need an
Nasdaq
entry.
on the 2s. Fib dot.
Delta cell building.
Okay, market is snapping. Something is moving. Okay, this is super high volatility activity now. ES doing. On the up. Go over there.
That's all, folks.
And okay, she broke it. All right, it's going up. It's going and all right, so she didn't hold. Okay, I'm gonna try to get myself out of. It would have been nice. I mean, this was the easy
Fib dot.
play. If,
Nasdaq on the 2s.
no, it just didn't go far enough to get it out of it. You got double dots right there on that one. We tried for it, but you know, again, market can
Fib
push
dot.
right back up on it.
Delta cell building.
So the first trade, I have screenshots of that could not get the stinking stream to go. So let's pull up. I apologize for my voice here, having a little bit of the allergy issues. Let's pull up the screenshots from the very first trade and talk about that one, and then yeah, we'll have finally a little bit of a short video. I'll be doing some further expose on the Day Trader Paradise drama. Those of you guys who've been asking about that. Let's, where is my Snagit? Here it is. Okay, so this is how that one ended with the old targets filled. And let's see, maybe, is this easy enough to see there?
Fib dot. Nasdaq
Here.
on the 2s.
Over here. Okay. Here's our favorite friend right there. Okay, so
Harmonic
here's how
pattern.
we
Delta buy
start
building.
in on this one.
Short.
We start to move
Look
up.
for a
We have the
short.
blue dot over on the left-hand side.
Delta buy building.
Coming in to try to push up into targets. At the time, I had forgotten that I was on small accounts, so I'm still on 2s, unfortunately. So I was like, okay, I'm a little heavy on this first trade. We got the blue dot and the shift coming in on the MACV. Worried about this little red dot as it was coming in here. We've got the cross move with the bat wing reversal around the open. Usually a spot where you can get some back and forth around that open. We always tell you guys, like, if you're coming into that open, what are we looking for? We're looking for an accumulation zone around that spot. So oftentimes a little spot that you can maybe catch a target one type of scenario. So trade one right off the bat, although it's a little bit
Delta.
heavy
Fib
on the
dot.
first one.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq
Trade ends up
on
coming
the
out.
2s.
I'm splitting out my trade orders here. We start to kind of push up. and we hit target 1 and target 2, I go ahead and take the rest off as that white cross comes in. Fairly simple. Another thing that
Delta
helped
by
with my
building.
position, we got the green dot coming in inside of that zone right there. I couldn't pass it up.
Fib
It
dot.
was a
Nasdaq
juicy one,
on the 5.
and that was the very first trade that we did not get as the stream started. So that pretty much covers our session here, and let's pull up our stats. Where are we at in our little competition here? So we've got, going back to our summary page here. All right, so here's where we're at in our 8th. Let me go back to 19th here. So we go that 19th here. Okay, so today, there's today, and then let's go back. Well, let's look at our current stats for today. So 73% profitable,
Fib dot.
profit factor
Nasdaq
4.
on-
That means winners 4 times the size of losers. Today,
Long.
let's
Look
go
for a
back
long.
to beginning of the contest here. So here's where we're at on the contest. So overall in the contest, 65% profitable, 2.39 profit factor. It's been awesome getting this extra volatility. Makes things a lot easier when the markets are on the move. About 3 minutes for hold time. Not too bad. I'm not doing
Fib
too
dot.
well on the long trades from our stats here. And let's look at our internal analysis. Cumulative net profit over time, not looking too bad. Back from the 5th there. And yeah, there we go. All right, folks, I gotta get going here this afternoon. Thanks for hanging out. I will catch you guys this evening. Don't miss the next video that I am releasing. We're gonna be showing, again, some more of this garbage going on with the Day Trader Paradise Group, trying to hide the fact that he has solicited for other people's money. He's got, at least from what we see on records, $405,000. Somebody wants to know. I think some people want to know, bro. Where's that money? You're trading other people's money, bro. Did you blow out their accounts? Where's that at, bro? And anyhow, we've got more to expose. They're hiding their the videos where they're looking at our stuff and they're cutting up and editing videos. You guys are gonna, when we show the full expose, I think you guys are going to like it and appreciate it. And we'll maybe finish up maybe some more internals of this. If you guys have questions, want to see more of what we're doing here, put those down in the comments. Come over there in our Discord chat. We'll hang out, and I will catch you guys on the flip side. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis, G, and the rest of the gang, let's send out that big H-Town to ya. Don't forget that like button. You know the one.